Dot plots. Represent each set of data in a dot plot. Determine the median, mode, and range and any outliers. Then determine the data by describing the center and spread. We're also going to determine what the mean is. So every piece of data says student height in inches for Mrs. Foster's 6th grade class. For every single student's height, we're going to put one dot on this little line graph over here. So 52, that's 50, 51, 52. So we're going to put a dot right there. And then I'm going to put a dot there just to make sure that I did it. So I have 48. So we have 45, 46, 47, 48, dot. 52, 51, 52, 65, 58. So 55, 56, 57, 58, 48. So 45, 46, 47, 48, 60, 45, 50, 52, 56, 48, 53, so 50, 51, 52, 53, 58, 62, 49, 51, 49. Okay, so it says determine the median, mode, range, and any outliers, then determine the data by describing the center and spread. Okay, so you notice right here that we have a cluster that's between 48 and 53. So that's pretty much where all of the students' heights are. And then you have two outliers. You have this guy right here at 45, and then you have this guy over here at 65. That means that one of the students in the class is way shorter than everyone else, and another student in the class is way taller than everyone else. So those are your outliers. So now we're going to talk about what is our shape. So now let's talk about that lovely little slide. If I get on the slide and I slide down, I'm going to be sliding to the right because majority of the data is clustered to the left, which means that we are skewed to the right. So this is what we call right skewed. And it's not letting me write the rest of the word right. Okay, so we are right skewed. Now I'm going to determine what is my mean, what is my median, what is my mode, and what is my range. Okay, so very first thing is your mean. I have no idea why it's not letting me write there, so I'm going to do it up here. So we have our mean, which is our average. We have our median, which is the number in the middle. Then we have our mode, which is the number that you see the most, or the number with the most dots. And then we have our range, which is the largest number minus the smallest number. So this one is 65 minus 45. 65 minus 45, 5 minus 5 is 0, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So our range is 20. That means that there are 20 numbers in between 45 and 65. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The mode is a number that we see the most. So we're going to look and see which one of these numbers has the most dots, which is right here. And that is number 52. So that is our mode. Okay, so now we're going to find the median. The median is the number in the middle. So I'm going to mark out a low and a high, a low and a high, a low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. So you notice that both of these dots fall in the same category. So if I add those two together and I divide by 2, I am still going to get 52 because 52 plus 52 is 104 divided by 2 is 52. So our median falls in the 52 dots. Mean. So we're going to add all of these together and then we are going to divide by 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So I'm going to use a calculator just to make our lives just a little bit easier for right now. You, on the other hand, would need to actually do that out by hand. Okay, so I'm going to start here and I'm going to go across the dots. So we have 45 plus 46, 47, 48, 48, and 48. So 48 plus 48 plus 48. And then I'm going to add my 49s, and there's two of those, plus 49 plus 49. Then I'm going to add my 150 plus 51 and 51. Then I'm going to add 4 52s, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So plus 52 plus 52 plus 52 plus 52. Then I'm going to add my 53, plus we have 56, plus we have 2 58s, plus we have a 60, plus we have a 62, and we have a 65. So our total is 1,059, and we're going to divide that by 20 because it's an average. So you have to add them all up and then divide by the number of dots that we see. So we're going to do 1,059 divided by 20, and our answer is 52.95. So our mean is 52.95. Now remember that the mean and the median should be relatively close to each other as long as there's no extreme outliers. So 52.95 is relatively close to 52. So I'm pretty confident that our answers are probably correct. So recap, mean 52.95, median 52, mode is 52, and the range is 20. We are right skewed because we are sliding to the right and all of our data it's clustered towards the left, so that's why it is right skewed. And remember, we had two outliers. We have 45 and 65.